sorry. Okay.
This is Webster. You don't have to lock it. Here comes a big one. Hold on.
Ready?
Whoa.
You gotta sit. You cannot stand.
What if I hit the jump?
Dude, you're way too far over. You need to come over.
Oh, thanks for telling me. Now I'm already in.
Yeah, Dad. Okay, bad idea. Be careful.
I'm heading right to that jump. Oh, great. I'm hitting the jump. Oh. Dude. I just caught some air and almost lost my beer. This is the jump that I inadvertently hit, and that's good, like 8-9 feet. I'm coming. I'm right here.
Hold on to the sled.
Yeah, hold on. Both hands. There you go. Whee! Is this fun?
Oh my God. You want your drink? Okay. I got it right.
Cheers.
So when we were going, Mikey.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. This isn't going to be good. Woo! You got a stick?
She's hitting the jump. She hit it pretty good. Just Haven with her walking stick.
Come on, baby.
1, 2, 1, 2. Walk to the sleds. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. That's a walking stick. It helps walk. Very good. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, say go.
Wee! Wee! Yay! Was that fun? Say fun. Dada. Dada.
Say go. Ugh. First time sledding with my daughter. We are flying. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go left. Whoa! Yeah. Hold on. You're gonna run, okay? Hold on. Whoa!
Oh, Jim! Jim, she fell.
Hold on. Hold on. We're almost there. What happened? I ran too fast?
I thought she fell out of the sled. Hey!
Is that in your hand? You went to sleep? You want to go down by yourself?
And then we're going to
Lay
get
down?
going. No, Daddy, sit her
Wanna go
up.
down
That's
by
too
yourself?
scary. Sit her up.
You ready?
No, Daddy, come on, sit her up.
Why? She's fine.
That's scary.
Okay. You ready?
No, honey.
Right there. Centered. Your weight. Okay, you ready? Say go. Oh.
Ooh. Was that fun? Sleep? Is it because you're laying down?
One more. Okay, let's go. Ready? Here we go. Whee! Was that fun?
Fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yes, it was.
Is it your stick? Yeah. Good job, Haven. There's some seagulls. I think I'm gonna go over there and feed them by hand. Yeah, see if they'll eat right from my hand. They gotta be hungry. Now the key to feeding a bird by hand is to get in the mind of the bird. Talk to him. Sounds foolish, but it works. So you throw one out, get them all in a frenzy. Now you're into their mind. Now you stick your hand out and you say, if you want some food, you come get it. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, this is a swan. And I'm gonna try to feed him from my mouth. This could cost me an eye. Just bit my hand. It wasn't too bad. It's like a hard clamp. No sharp teeth. That is swan saliva. Here, eat my finger. Thanks. Ouch. Was that cool?
She watched you the whole time.
The duck bit my finger.
Oh.
It's okay though.
Daddy gave the ducks cookies.
Yeah, it's a swan. You see the big one? The big one? It's a swan. Some people say they're vicious, but Daddy disagrees.
Yes.
They're ducks. They're seagulls. Seagulls.
Up.
The little ones are seagulls.
They're actually birds.
Up?
Please.
You want to go see the seagulls?
If you can if you want to. Just bring her right back because we gotta.
Swan. Hold it out. Finger. Finger. Ready? And the swan sketched out by her. Big swan. She's beautiful. Bye-bye. Yeah, say bye-bye. Yeah. Seagulls. These are seagulls. Seagull, 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 seagull. Swan.